ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Stop smoking. Stop smoking. Stop smoking. Stop smoking.
Ringkat lang bagi perthai borok kowe ki Khynnah school juga St Paul Higher Secondary School Nongpoh ki belara ke yak World No Tobacco Day. Hakar pratrik uluber arajar pusau kleshim benta hakijnya irali kablas dang na pelau jong school ba pinkut pat hamadan paham sim shua ban wan phai biang sha pelau jong school. Kajing pinlong ya kani kajing irali kalong kum shibenta ban pin sngo tho bat ban pin chai pat ba ya kajing kta jong uduma ya ka koi ka khya ha ke imlang ka salang. Ki Khynnah school belasan ran lang dekat dong hikai klara ru ya ki bana baki plakat ki badan ya ki jing tho ki pin sngo tho pat ba ka jing di ba ka jing bam ya uduma kan kta ya ka koi ka khya jong ka met ka phat.
Kuwi bangin persyaya ubiri uduma kundi kenja ki drugs ki shakha ki raja kabakta ya ka lungs jungi ya ki met ki phat jungi kumet ki tien ki kumet ki badan ki met jungi ni gar pa ya ki Khynnah school jong kane ka school St Paul bangin nam di ya ki kine ki tobacco ki jindi ki bakta ya ki kot ka khia ya ka imlang ka salam jungi.
In order to give a message to the people of our society that tobacco, smoking and chewing is very dangerous to our health, not only to the person who are smoking or chewing, but at the same time to his member of the family and the surrounding. So at the same time, we organize this program. It is a message to all of us, okay, to know the dangerous or the harmful effects to our health, especially those who smoke. It causes cancer, it causes breathing problem, it causes even dental problem. So this is the reason why we organize these programs, so that people will know. Those are not maybe educate, since we are students, we know the harmful effects of using tobacco. So it is our responsibility as the citizens of the society, citizen of the country, as a student. It's very important for us to do these activities, which is very helpful to somebody. If one of the persons in a society, if stop doing these activities which is cause harmful to his own health and his family, then it will be a great success for all of us.